crafters, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing from ARTDOT diamond painting of the butterflies. And this is the beginner kit. They do have an advanced kit. However, I decided to get the beginner kit because it was only $5 on Amazon. So I used a gift card and was able to get it for like 45 cents. They do have the advanced one last I knew on Amazon. I think it went up to $14.99. So I will link that in the description below, but let's jump in. So I literally just opened this. So this has the saran wrap still on it. So let's jump in. On the box, it has a picture. So it comes in a tube. So it comes in a nice hard tube, not a box. It says beginner. It tells you that it's the butterfly one. It tells you what's included: a canvas, a diamond set, a pen, a tray, a wax, a color code sticker, and a freestyle stickers. And then it gives you some other information about all the other stuff. And then it gives you what you need to do, your instructions on the side. But I like that it comes in this nice container. So we're gonna open it up. Maybe. Nice and tight. It's one of those ones that get it in there and get it out, you're never gonna get it back in there, huh? So there looks like their standard kit is gonna come like this. And then in this one, you do get 2 free freestyle stickers. So I'm gonna add that into my box of stickers. I got the cupcake and the heart. And then you get the diamond painting tray, a blue heart, the blue glitter pen, the blue stylus thing, and then, oh wow, this is really pretty, they give you washi tape. So I got a pretty flowery one that's really pretty to help you if you use this. A lot of diamond painters use this to mark off their diamond painting to do it in sections. So that's pretty cool. So we're gonna add the stickers to the kit, because if you haven't caught my latest video, it was an unboxing of their diamond painting sticker kit that I got again for only $5. So check out those deals. Like I said, I'll link the description. In the description, I'll link to the Amazon link. Okay, so as we open it, you can see that it's rolled with the picture in front. You get your sticker sheet with the large sticker. If you keep up with it, a lot of people keep books or whatever. I don't. What I usually do is I usually laminate, like I'll cut this out and laminate the sticker, and then I'm able to use it like for decoration or whatever. This is the 20 inches by 10 inch, and it is round shape. And supposedly here it says this one is only 15,576 squares, 6 diamonds. So there you go. So if you need all that information, the back is very soft and felt-like. It's not like the other canvases that are hard, so it's very soft in the back. And then here is the diamond painting canvas itself. So with this one, I feel like you can lay it flat and it will come it will lay flat sooner or later. However, if you want, you can always roll it the other way to help it lay flat. But I'm not going to worry about that right now. I am looking at the colors. There might be 1 or 2 that's a little hard to see. Let's see here. Let me look first. So right now, at first glance, I think it might be B or G. Is that B or G? Actually, I can't even tell what that one is. So I guess this is where your sticker chart would come in handy. So you can match it up. Like 20 is 820. So 820 is K. 820 here does not look like a K, but maybe it is a K. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So right here on the sticker chart, you can see that it says 820. You can see that it's a K. It's purple. On here, I cannot read the K. Like I see 20 and I see this dot, but I cannot see that it says K. Let's look on the other side. So on the other side is the leftovers. Okay, so sometimes diamond paintings have both key charts on both sides. Here you have 35 colors, you have 24 on this side, and then the rest on this side. So you don't have 2 key charts, which is fine. But number 20 is hard to see. B11, which is purple 2 on here. Let's see, B is 550. It's a purple. Here I can read the key chart just fine. Here is a little harder. I'm thinking these are G's. I think I saw a G. Where did I see G? Yes, 26, which is 26 is 939. So 939, which I'm pretty sure is a deep blue. It's like a navy blue. So on here you can see that it's a grayish color G. I don't know if you can see that or not, but you see it right there. When you're looking at this key chart over here, I cannot see that that is G at all. So that's a little hard to read. And then I was looking in here, and this is why I looked. Right here up in this corner, and of course it might look better if you had a flashlight under it. I don't know if I have my flashlight, because I usually work with a light board, so I don't see a flashlight. So that might be the thing. I'll let you know in the description. Oh, here, I can use this. That might be the thing, is if you use the light board, you're going to be able to read these just fine. However, I'm a little nervous that you're not going to be able to read this. Let's see here. Does this not have... Nope, it does not. Okay, well, I'll check that out and I'll put it in the description. On the canvas itself, G is a little hard to see. B is clearly, so I can see that's clearly B, so that's fine. I think this is K. K is hard to say that it's K. I mean, I can tell by the color that it's K. 5, S is clear. So a lot of the bright colors are really clear. So like F, J, the greens, the yellows, the reds, the lighter blues are really clear to see. The only letters I am having a problem with is G and K. Now I know those are those colors. Let me look in the blue. So yeah, here I can see that it's a little more J. The K again is a little harder to see. But other than that, the clarity is pretty good. So let me see if I can, yeah, down here. So in this blue butterfly, I don't know if you can see it, but right here is G, and I cannot tell that is a G. But if you can see in the other ones, all this is clear. So this is really good clarity. So I give it like a 99 because you can see all the letters except G and K. That's my only issue here, is the G and the K. I cannot tell a difference. Or not tell a difference. I can't read it. But like I said, I know all these dark colors. So like right here, here's G and K right here together. This darker color is K and this lighter color is G. But again, that is one thing that is hard to see. For me, I am gonna put it under light to see if that shows up better, and it might totally be fine under like a light board. I just don't have my light board out, but I want you to see that it is clear. All the other letters perfectly fine. I can see the S is an S, the 5 is a 5. Like I said, the green colors is totally, I mean, everything is legible except 2 colors. That would be my only concern. On this one, because I did get the smaller set, this one only comes with 2 ABs. It comes, and I do kind of like how they did that. So on the sticker chart, AB is going to be the rainbow one. So you have number 4, which is 307, and P, which is 3846. Okay, and it's the same thing on their key charts here. It has the little rainbow on it. So here are your drills. They come nice and packaged. You do see right off the bat the pretty blue color right here for the AB. And then the other AB was, I think, is it a goldish color? I didn't want to pull all of them out. It's yellow. So the other AB is yellow. okay? But their drills are their normal AB or their normal drills. Let's see. I like to see what kind of shape they have. I don't think I can show you clearly what kind of shape they have. To me, there are 3 different type shape drills, and not shape as in circle or square or specialty. I'm talking about the facets on the diamonds. Diamond Art Club has, I think, transferred over to what I like to call the house on top. So it looks like a house. So it looks like this and then goes down type facet. And then you have the diamond facet. Diamond Art, or not Diamond Art Club, Diamond Art Dot usually has a mixture. Like here, I can tell that the ABs or the diamond shaped ones, like a snowflake look to them when you look at the facets together. Makes like a little snowflake. But then their other color, their 3843, looks like a house. So they usually have a mixture of the different facets, which is totally fine. So yeah, so I would say these are more like Diamond Art Club facets. Kind of their newer ones and their older ones, but they do sparkle pretty good. Diamond Dots, I'm not even going to get into that, but they have a totally different type shape facet. But these are the 2 different types of facets between the 2. But they totally sparkle fine. For what I paid for this was a great diamond painting. The canvas is great. It's sticky. I don't usually do that much of a sticky test because I don't want to take the sticky away. The clarity is good. Like I said, I'll let you know in the description below if when I put light under it, if it shows up better. I love the new toolkit they're adding with this one. I like the new drills, diamond trays, because I'm pretty sure, let's see if I can get that out. With the new kit they're giving you, or the tray, I'm pretty sure if you get multiple of their kits, like I already have another kit of theirs, you can sit here and connect their trays together. So this is really nice. I really like that because sometimes I do work, especially with this one, I'll probably work with multiple colors. So this is nice that they're stuck together. Just beware that if you knock one tray off, you're gonna knock all the trays off. But I do like how these connect. That's awesome. I like the washi tape in the toolkit for this one. I like that you do get 2 extra free Freestyle stickers, because I have a ton of leftover drills and I don't need any more drills. I just need like Freestyle stuff. Like the stickers are neat because my kids can do this. I am going to show y'all later on what I'm going to plan to do with some of these stickers. I do wish that this one wasn't bent, but I'm just going to probably put it under the mat and let it sit there. But the toolkit's amazing. I like that it comes with the new ones. You get a blue pen this time, so that's up a different color that's sparkly. You get the stylus and you get the heart-shaped blue wax. So if you're looking and you love butterflies, I would definitely check out both kits. If you want the bigger version, it's bigger by I think 3 inches and 6 inches. This one, like I said, is only a 10 by 20 inch or 20 inch by 10. The other one is like 26 by 13 inch. So you get a little bit bigger. But for what I paid and what you get in it, I think it's an awesome deal. I would definitely suggest going to check them out. They also have their own website, ARTDOT.com, if y'all want to check them out down there for that. But the stickers are great. This is great. I do usually try to see, definitely can see how much size it is here. So let's line this up. So it should be 10 centimeters this way. So let's see, or 10 inches. So it is a little short, but I think what they do is they actually round it up because it's in centimeters. So you would actually have to count centimeters, which I don't really have a centimeter one, but technically this is 12 centimeters by 13 centimeters. So 12 plus 13 is 25 centimeters. So that is correct. So I think what they did is they just rounded up, because I think it's really like 9 point something. so they just round it up, but it is 25 centimeters this way. So I am gonna assume that it's 25 centimeters, or sorry, 50 centimeters this way, because this goes, we can go by the, let's go by this way. See, that's 15 both ways, so that's 15, and that's about 15, so that's 30. And then let's line that up about, now this is give or take because I'm not completely doing it, so 30, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Yep. So yes, it is, if you base it off centimeters, it is 50 by 25 centimeters. Again, a great little one. It's a very cute one. I love butterflies. I think this in the rainbow color looks really pretty. Again, they do have a bigger kit that's a little bit bigger. I love their toolkit. The only little things that I'm having trouble with is the 2 little letters that I cannot read as of right now. But again, I will add that to the description below to let you know if you can actually see it through the light box. So, hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please check them out. They do have, I think, one more. I don't know how many diamond paintings they have, but they do have really great storage. So check that out. That's really awesome. That's a next thing I might look into buying is the storage containers, because they have amazing storage containers. But I definitely would suggest buying this kit if you like it. I really do like the whole coming in the tube, because I am not ready to do this right now. So what I'll probably do is just roll this back up, and hopefully I can get it back in the tube. Let's see. But I really do like the tube because they're a little bit sturdier. And even if you're done working on it, you can probably definitely, oh look, I got it in the tube, so excited. Except the toolkit. I haven't got the toolkit back in there yet. But definitely check them out. Let's see if I can push the, no, toolkit's not going in there. That's okay. As long as the drills and all that's in there, I'm good. So nice sturdy toolkit, nice sturdy box. I really do suggest getting this. Very awesome. I love the colors. I hope you guys have a great day, and please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe.